Adams Polish's Graphene Liquid Wax is a hybrid between traditional wax protection and modern reduced graphene oxide protection. You mash those together and you get a liquid wax that performs like all the traditional liquid waxes, but has the robust protection of the reduced graphene oxide. Liquid waxes tend to not last very long. They don't have a strong protection longevity. With the addition of graphene to this liquid wax, it gives it a stronger protection backbone, allowing the protection to last a lot longer. Another thing with the graphene liquid wax is you will see the hydrophobic activity on your car. That is when the water beads up and falls off the car. What that does is it makes cleaning your car a lot easier, and it reduces the chance of scratching while washing or wiping your car down with a quick detailer. Now, to apply this wax, it is just like applying a traditional liquid wax. You're going to put a little bit onto your favorite applicator. What I like to do is outline the area that I want to wax. So make a frame, and then I like to cross hatch. Okay, a lot of people like to do the circles like this, but you run into the chance of missing a spot of waxing here and here. So keep it simple and cross hatch it. The whole point of the graphene liquid wax is to get it on your car. We're not trying to work this in. We just want to protect the car. Another method to apply graphene liquid wax is to apply it with a random orbital polisher. What you do is you take a waxing or glazing pad and you put a few drops of the graphene liquid wax on there, run it on its lowest speed, usually that's speed 1, and you can go and you can apply it to your whole vehicle efficiently and quickly, being able to wax your car fast and easy. Now, to wipe off the product, you use a high quality microfiber intended for your paint, and you can see one swipe with the towel and the wax comes off perfect. It is so easy to use, just like a traditional liquid wax. Oh my gosh, this is extremely slick. Now, when the surface is extremely slick like this, it reduces the surface tension, allowing the water to bead up and fall off really easy. We have taken the traditional method of applying a wax through a liquid application, and we've beefed up the protection properties by adding the reduced graphene oxide. Adams Polish's Graphene Liquid Wax is extremely easy to use, and once you have that layer of graphene liquid wax on your car, you will love the shine and you will love the longevity of the graphene liquid wax on your car.